Writing is one of the most important skills that we need to have in life in order for us to progress and develop. And I know everybody knows how to write, everybody knows how to read, everybody watching this video for sure knows exactly what I'm talking about. And you guys are going to be so excited to know that by reading, writing, and speaking, you're going to be able to earn a lot of money. So if you want to do it, then make sure you What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, you're probably thinking that our method is going to be a bit hard. You've probably come across some money making strategies that are alike with this one, but you have to pay maybe, or you need to have skills or experience before you're able to apply. But don't even worry, because with today's method, it's super simple. It is beginner friendly, and you are going to be achieving that financial freedom that you've always longed for. You're not going to need anything else except for a device that you are available, and as well as an internet connection, and that is pretty much it. It is completely free and it's worldwide available. You literally don't need anything else. So if you want to get right into that, then let's jump right into it. So before we get to the main website, there is something that I would like to share with you, okay? Now, you're going to let to know, like I've mentioned, it's 100% free, okay? And everybody from all around the world will be able to access this method for today. So you just really have to watch this video to really know all of the details and not mess anything up, because you would probably feel at a huge loss, and I know you will. So our first great website is called Capterra. This is the video that we are going to be talking about in today's video. Now, this platform is for business owners, and this helps them find the right softwares for their business. They can compare different options, they can find good and decent software programs, and they can even go through and read reviews as to how softwares help people from all around the world. And before I tell you what you're going to be doing, I want you guys to go around and have a little tour around the website, just so you have an idea of what Capterra is all about, what they focus on, what's their reputation, how they present themselves. These are very important factors that I think you'd like to take into consideration. So go ahead and just go through it. And as you can see, Capterra is the world's leading software reviews and selection platform with the most comprehensive source research on the internet. They are also very proud to offer 1 million verified software reviews that provide great aid to business owners. And it's all completely free. So what you're going to be doing, okay, since you are not a business owner and you're not here to find software programs in any way, you are basically going to be the one to submit reviews on the platform, and you're going to help out the business owners who come here. All you have to do is write a little something about a software that you're going to choose as well. You're just going to craft a write-up, and where you're going to show your thoughts and just how you feel and your opinions, what you liked and disliked and all that stuff. And that's pretty much all you have to do, and you're going to be earning money. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure that you leave us some love by liking and subscribing, and by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified, and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. Let's continue. So right now, I want you guys to click on this section right here on the upper left portion of the page that says software categories. And as soon as you're able to do that, you're going to see this little interface. So you're going to click on this button that says browse all categories. And after you do that, you're going to find yourself being brought to this page where you're going to have access to a huge variety of categories of software programs, all on Capterra. Now, the categories are sorted alphabetically, so you can just scroll down and browse through all of the different softwares. There are about 100, maybe even more. So it's gonna take you a long time to figure out what the best one is for you. Now, I want you guys to focus on the upper right portion of the page where you're gonna see this text that says write a review, and obviously you're gonna click on that, and then it's gonna take you to this page where it basically is gonna start the process of you reviewing, software programs. So what you're going to do for today's method, okay, this page contains all of the software programs that you're going to make a review on, since that is the main task that's going to make you money. It's already sorted out according to its popularity, so you're going to find the famous programs right here. And I'm sure you're familiar with most of these software programs, so you can browse through and look for the perfect one for you. Maybe Zoom, Asana, Viber, WebEx, Canvas, Project Center, and so much more. You can actually look through more by clicking this gray button that says see more products. But actually, this page is just already enough for you. What you see right now is already enough for you. So just for the sake of today's video, we are going to be choosing Viber since it is popular, and I know a lot of people know and use Viber. I know I do, and I enjoy it a lot. So let's jump right into that. Now, before we finish up, I want you guys to let me know what you are loving about today's video so far. And while you're at it, let me know where you're from and what payment method that you would most prefer, because that's going to help us in our future videos. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Now, for example, we're going to choose to make a review on Viber. We're going to click on that right now. And as soon as we do that, we're going to be again brought to a new page where you can officially start creating your own review for that software that you've chosen. And the first page of the review form is going to be about your personal information, maybe a little background, just so that they can tell if you use Viber and how often you use Viber. So you're going to fill all of the information about yourself, like your first name, your last name, your email address, your job title, org name, industry, company size, and the time you've spent using the software program for the job industry. And I do suggest that you use and choose this option over here for computer software. Just click this arrow down below and it will show you a huge and a long and wide array of job industries that you can select, and you should just click on computer software since the work is very much related to that field, and then your review shows it's gonna show in that field. So that's gonna make you a reliable user, right? Being able to make this. So now when you've obviously published your review, you're gonna make money. Clearly that's gonna be how it works. Now this question that asks how long you've used the software, I want you guys to choose from 6 to 12 months, or the ones below that shows more years of experience in the product, because obviously people want to know if you've used it long enough for you to tell the truth, for you to give a reliable source of information about Viber. So that's pretty much it. And the next questions, they're going to be super easy, and you're just going to answer that all on your own. Okay, and then you should obviously tick the role so you're a user, and once you're through the first page, you're going to go on to the next by clicking the next button on the bottom right corner. This page is again very basic. All you have to do is place your own ratings on the services and the features of Viber so that your review will be positive, and then you should give out stars and all that stuff. Then on to the third and final page, which is the last one obviously, and it's just gonna be your entire review. Okay, you're gonna write a title, then you're finally gonna write something about Viber. You can be a little bit more creative. You can just do whatever you want. You can list down the pros and the cons, the experience overall using this software, and pros are basically the good things, and cons obviously the bad things, the advantages, the disadvantages, the benefits, and whatever it is are your losses. So you're just gonna answer these questions, and the thing is, as soon as you submit this entire review, you're gonna get paid right away, and you're gonna get paid even more. But I promise you guys, you're gonna make over $800 every time you're able to submit a review. So make sure you try Capterra out, and that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.